Got a nice little spicy back road to take the Hellcord on today for this little POV drive. That's probably way too loud for y'all. You probably couldn't even hear me talking for a second. But you know, other than hearing how menacing the exhaust sounds from the inside, I'm also gonna roll down the windows here in a second so you can really hear it. I'm gonna just, be chilling with you, talking for a second, and also clearing up some confusion around this vehicle. Because even though I've already made like multiple videos clarifying pretty much everything, some people just don't watch those videos and will still comment a bunch of things on other videos. So let me just clear up some things some more. Now, first off, if you don't know what engine it has, it is a V6. Okay, the Hellcat joke, it's over. It was a joke. I already made videos talking about it, so I'm not going to say too much about that in this video. But what I will talk about is what got done to the engine. Because some people were asking me like, oh, what performance mods do you have for it? How did you get it tuned? Like, all that information regarding like how I got the car sounding how it is, it's just straight pipe. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, I don't have any performance mods. It's not tuned because Honda is very weird and makes it extremely difficult to tune the V6. Like, you need to get a whole separate ECU. You gotta do all this extra shit. And they really just don't want you tuning the V6s pretty much. It's pretty dumb because they lock the ECU and the V6 would sound so nice with a verbal tune. Like, I heard some with verbal tunes with different ECUs. They sound amazing. I'm gonna stop talking for a second. Just let y'all hear the VTEC. I'm such a menace. Better call me Dennis. Alright, now that the NPCs are gone, let's have some fun, eh? I always have to slow down right here because there's a pothole that's a little rough, and if you hit it, you will probably die. So, yeah. Oh, boy! Oh my god, VTEC just kicked in! Oh, my VTEC just kicked in. I don't know, my car's kind of weird though. Like, VTEC don't really be hitting like it used to or like it's supposed to. Part of the reason being is that sometimes, like as you just saw, it won't initially shift into the right gear. Because you heard first downshift, rev up high, and then downshift again and rev up even higher. Back in the day, it would like the second downshift would be like the only downshift. Like, it would downshift instantly into the lowest gear it could, get up to like 5k RPMs. But it's not doing that right now. If you know why that could be happening, let me know. I mean, this transmission is probably really poop. I understand that, but I mean, damn, it's really fucking poop. I'm not gonna cap. Like, just give me the gear I want. Like, I need a manual in here. I'm definitely going to be swapping this with a manual when I do have a VA in here. Now that you heard how menacing this Hellcord is from the inside, you should watch the video on screen right now to hear how it sounds from the outside. Just click and go watch it.